This is a battle of the Jokos. Welcoming you to the Mutesa 2 Stadium in Wankulukuku. David Owori lays through. Easy peasy for Alfred Mudekereza. Diego Odongo. Colgate Owori. Long drop. Torach. It's a chance. Oh, it's out. Aslam doesn't look very much relaxed. He would love to actually get a result in this game if he can molly Yepaso. Elvis Ingonde. Kakande Jonah Luanga! Oh, what a beauty! If this is a painting, this is $1 million paint. Beautiful from Luanga. How they made that move was beautiful. Long from Najib. Oh, miscalculation. It's off the line again. Another chance for Jonah. Goalkeeper Alfred Mudekereza complaining of being fouled. Minutes have gone. The referee ends this battle.
Kale eddakiika ebulemu okweresa